Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the Advanced Objects section. This is setters. Along with getter methods, we can also create setter methods which reassign values of existing properties within an object. Let's see an example of a setter method. We have const person is this object that has an age of 37. We have a setter method that is set age with new age passed in. If type of new age is equal to a number, then we do this dot age and assign to it new age. Else we log out. You must assign a number to age. Notice that in the example above, we can perform a check for what values being assigned to this dot age. When we use the setter method, only values that are numbers will reassign this dot age. There are different outputs depending on what values are used to reassign this dot age. Then, to use the setter method, this is what we would do. Person.age, assign to it 40. We then would be able to log out person.age, and it will log 40. If we try to do person.age, assign the string 40, it would log, you must assign a number to age. Setter methods, like age, do not need to be called with a set of parentheses. Syntactically, it looks like we're reassigning the value of a property. Like getter methods, there are similar advantages to using setter methods that include checking input, performing actions on properties, and displaying a clear intention of how the object is supposed to be used. Nonetheless, even with a setter method, it is still possible to directly reassign properties. For example, in the example above, we can still set .age directly. If we did person.age, and assign to it 45, it would log 45. Instructions. Currently in Robot, there is a getter method for num of sensors, but no setter method. What if we need to add or remove some sensors? Let's fix the problem. Add a setter method named num of sensors using the set keyword. Provide a parameter of num. Leave the function body empty for now. Let's do it here. Let's run it. We pass. 2 says, there are a couple of things we should do in this setter method. Add a check to see if num is a number using the type of operator. Num should also be greater than or equal to 0. If both conditions are met, reassign this .num of sensors to num. Okay, let's do that now. Run it. We do pass. 3 says, now add an else that logs pass in a number that is greater than or equal to 0 to the console. Okay, let's do that. Run it. We pass. 4. Use the num of sensors setter method on robot to assign num of sensors to 100. Let's do that here. Run it. 5. To check that the setter method worked, console.log robot.num of sensors. Let's do that here. Run it. We do pass. So what we're learning here, setters help us reassign values of existing properties within an object. As it says here, there are similar advantages to using setter methods. This includes checking input, performing actions on properties, and they help display a clear intention of how the object's supposed to be used. Those are key points of a setter method. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.